see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Good morning, Ayla. Nagulat niya. Morning, Bamba. Good morning. Smiley lang daw ganyan. Pinatanggal na nila yung aming ano. Ako din. Me too, please. Ay. Bamba. Thank you. Baba. Baba, good morning. Oh, Isla's not your sister.
Yes, it is.
No, she's not.
She's sorry.
Jane, I'll come back in 2 seconds.
Don't worry, then. Don't worry. Baba. Baba. Ate Holly said she's your sister.
Yes, and she's cute.
Oh, she is cute. She's very, very cute.
She's your sister too.
Huh?
She's your sister too.
You want to feed the ducks?
Go for the ducks, Baba. Go. Ayan, nakabihis na. Ayan, nagpa-popcorn ang aga-aga. Ayan si Veronica. Ha? Dami pang lobster. Who are you gonna give that one, ha? This one? Ibibigay namin yan sa kapitbahay. Wow, they're lucky. They're very lucky. Ang dami. Apat. Tapos may isang malaki. Ayan. Bigay niya. Sa neighbor. Yun yung nag-take sa mga bata kahapon. Baka nagmamadali ka. Magma-McDonald's kasi sila. Wala sila, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead, Bob.
Yeah, that's all, Han. Ayan na siya. Okay.
Kita manay. Oh, kado kita manay.
Kasi, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya ulit makikita.
Ayun, wala siya pakialam sa number.
Finishing touches.
Say hi, everyone. We're going home. We're going home. Ang puti mo, babalo.
Iba talaga yung
Puti. Oo. Hey,
Gonna smile to the camera?
smile, Baba.
Hey, say hello to the vlog.
Smile ka. Sabi, nag-smile ako kanina, Tita Manay.
Kapoy, may dami kami. Smile na ako kagabi sa iyo. Natulog ako.
Oo, ang cute niya nun. I love you. Love you. Hello, ikaw.
Are you guys pulling over to check out? Or? Yeah, I'll pull over. Cheers.
No. Paalam na siya, oh. Yeah, it is big. Good morning again, guys. Today is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday today, Han?
Monday.
Monday, sorry. Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Han.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh, you're meant to be kidney Holly.
Yeah. Absent si Holly ngayon. Absent si Holly ngayon sa school. Pati yung boys.
Bye.
So, ano lang kami ng letter.
Oh, it's
March 2 na
water park.
agad. Bye-bye, Renmark. Ayan siya. Okay, put your arms now, please. So, uwi na tayo. Hindi namin nasilayan yung yung pool ng umaga. Kagabi, kasi naglakad kami ni Riz.
Water park.
Bye-bye, water park na siya. We'll see you next year. See you next year. Ayan. Walang tao. Dito lang. Sa pool meron. Ayan. Si Jan, pinablog ko si Jan doon eh. Sabi niya, meron daw siya yung sa bucket. So, yan.
Well, they're probably just newbie.
Andun si Tony, oh. Papa si Tony. Are we gonna book it again for next year?
Yeah.
May bubuk ulit kami for next year, guys. So, ito na talaga yung aming, nilulook forward for every year. Dito na si Johnny Boy.
The tree.
Yeah.
Get all that sap.
Nilinis niya yung pero galing na siya sa loob for check out and nagpa-rebook ulit sila. Rebook again, Han, for next year?
Yeah, we're on.
We're on the same?
Yep.
Okay, same place kami.
Same place, same time.
Same place, same cabin.
Why don't you just ice cream on the way?
It's cold.
But not now. It's
Yeah,
only
it's
early.
cold. Dan muna kami dito sa fruit and veg. Sila Tony and Kat, nauna na silang umuwi.
This movie.
Yeah, so dito muna kasi kukuha si Jan ng peach. Yung nasa jar, yung peaches ba nasa jar? Para sa ice cream nila. Si Kuya yung apricot. Last year, pumunta rin kami dito. Oh, malamig. Thank you. Apricot, si Kuya. Ayan yung peach. Kuha yan, dalawa. Sabi na nga ba, same last year. Bili tayo ng ano, kuha na rin tayo ng apples para sa school tomorrow. Kuha na tayo ng fruits dito, guys. Kumuha rin si Jan ng ano, gravy.
Get some mango.
Yes, mangoes. What's that?
Every one of them has up.
Is it white or yellow? Nectarine. Here, peaches, here. They're big, Kuya. This is white. White. Yellow. Yellow peaches, this one. Oh, gusto niya yellow. Okay. Yes, I did.
Strawberry smoothie.
No, Baba, no smoothie. No, we have to pay. We have to pay. Kuha siya rin ng bananas. Kuha tayo ng mango. Kumuha ko ng 4. Ayan siya. OC mangoes. Ha? Hindi ka pa rin tapos dyan, ya? Hindi sa... Kuha siya ng, eto ba, yung yellow peach. So dyan, banana. Do you need help? Okay. Make sure you check. Here. Ako na lang. 1. Oh. 2. Oh, not this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, 5? Is that enough? More?
One more.
Okay. Make sure you eat it, ha? Paborito niya naman yun, eh. Ako, avocado. $3 each. Kuha ako nito. Local. Eto na lang. Kumuha ako ng 2 avocado. Come on, yeah. And grapes. Pahinga mag, ano, para sa ano ba nila? Baon nila. Okay, Kuya. Okay. Give it to Daddy. This one to Han, oh. Thank you. Tulog na ang island namin, oh.
Sana hindi magising
Sana
paglagay ko sa car seat.
Tulog na siya. Kanina pa naman kasi siya gising, di ba?
Sana nga lang hindi magising kapag nilagay ko sa car seat. Alam mo naman yung gano'n.
Kaya nga. Uy, paano na? Ano to? Banal. Akala ko cheese. I'll put the chili there, Han. Tingnan niyo. I have chili there. Okay, see you next time. See you next week. See you, guys. See you.
Bye.
Ingat. Say see ya. Bye. Kuya, say bye na to tita.
Ano kasi dyan mo?
Back to the race.
See
Again?
you, guys.
So tight.
See you next time.
No worries.
Yeah, drive safe.
See you, bye. Come on. Okay, kayo. Bye, Ayla. Bye. See ya. Come on, Baba.
Oh, no. I don't want to
I think, so we definitely got 2. That's April, is it? Round 3. April, yeah.
Footy. Okay. Footy. Yan, naghiwalay na kami nila Race. Kasi iba naman yung dadaanan nila.
Hey guys, J-Jack.
So, how many hours? 5 hours, son? 5 hours. Diba? Right, honey? 5? Or more? 5, 6? 5. Oh, 5 hours,
I'm
guys.
playing the PlayStation.
You're not.
Yes.
No.
I got my music today.
You have to clean up first.
I got my music.
You have to help me first.
I
Yeah.
got my music today and I have to car wash.
Yeah, I know, it's no one there at the minute.
What's that, yeah?
I got music today to play the drums.
Oh, well, you're not at school today. Kasi, yung pinili niya sa music,
Do you
drums.
want that now?
Drums and what, kuya?
I want to get
Drums, that's it.
That's it? Okay, what are you? Yung fruity lollies. Kumari siya fruity.
Wagon's return.
Mag-car wash lang kami, guys, kasi nga maraming ano dun sa ano, sa, what do you call daan?
Just sap.
Sap. May sap daw yung, ayan dyan, oh.
Now do the
Ayan.
watermelon.
Yan dyan, oh, ang dami. So, hugasan lang ni John. Oops, okay. You got coins?
Yep.
Okay. Yan na siya. May spray niya na.
Conscious.
Is it good? Good lollies?
Yeah,
Okay, we're done here, guys. We're done. Mahaba-habang biyahe na naman tayo. I don't know where we're gonna stop. Where we're gonna stop for lunch?
Keith.
Are we?
Ice cream.
Are we, Han? I don't think so. We're going that way.
Here we are.
Yeah, we're
Alright.
going to town then. That way.
Alright. Okay. So, baka mag-chicken tayo, guys. So, we'll see kung saan tayo mag-stop. But, yeah.
Stop and get fuel, berries.
Mag-stop daw kasi.
Get fuel.
Fuel sa berry. Okay. Then, marami pa pala tayong stopan.
No,
So,
we're
sige,
gonna have a
mamaya na.
2-hour drive.
No, 5
Nah,
hour
nah,
more.
same.
More than 2 hours.
That we wish.
Si Sak, ayaw niya yung matagal na drive na. Pardon?
I miss Baby Isle.
You miss Baby Isle already.
He's so cute.
Yes, she is.
She's my sister.
Oh, sister na niya daw si Isla. She's a happy baby. She's an easy baby. Okay.
Bye.
She didn't cry. She smiled a lot.
No, she cried as well.
Oh, she cried when she's hungry or sleepy. It's normal. Can you put your seatbelt, please? Your arms, please. Good girl. Where's Moshi?
In the bag.
Okay. Dito kayo magpapagas sa berry. Sa OTR nila. Oh,
Can I
ayan.
have a hot dog then?
You wanna hot dog? Na, kuya. Gutom na agad si kuya. Gutom na agad. Wala pa nga tayong, wala pa. 10:37. Yes?
Or go in and order food, right?
This, I can get an ice cream on the way home.
Yeah, but not now,
But
babe.
not now. Okay, get your hotdog, kuya. So, mag-hotdog na si kuya.
You need a drink or anything, Holly? What do you want?
Raspberry.
Where's raspberry?
Orange, apple juice, please.
No, I don't
Just in
want
case it's more than $10.
I just
Yeah.
want apple juice.
Apple juice, baba. Ayan na silang mag-ama. Dala niya na yung kay holding drink.
that?
Ayan. Yan yung nipis na blackcurrant, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. And kay Kuya Lipton na iced tea. And yung hotdog niya. Akin na yan, yeah?
Because I'll
Okay.
eat that later.
Okay. Yung apple. Okay, baba. What you gonna say, Daddy?
Okay.
What you gonna say?
Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya. Okay. Put next to you. Okay, let's go. Okay, there ulit tayo.
Boy.
Don't lie, you're so high in this room, it's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and
Kami, alam niyo yung mahaba pa kung saan yung restroom. Yung ihina ako. And si Jan din. Siguro ako dun kasi wala namang car na dumadaan. So, meron tayo. Tingnan yung tissue. So, ihi tayo dun. Tulog si Holly.
Don't go in the bushes.
Not really. Just there, kuya. Ayan si Holly tulog. And si Zach, tulog din. You're not. Okay, ihi mo
I
na
lost
ako.
my cup holder.
Why? Wipes ako. Ito na lang, wipes. Ihi tayo doon. Diba? O, tingnan nyo. Walang tao, guys. And then, walang car. Hindi ako doon umihi, guys. Sabi ni Jan, buksan ko lang tong pinto. And dito ako umihi para makita ko kung may parating na sasakyan. Tapos, eto, yan yung aking parang pantakip dito para kung meron man doon, hindi tayo kita. Pero, yeah. Success, guys. Wala namang dumaang car. Diba, daan kami sa isang,
And it's not working.
it's not working, kasi yung pagpunta namin sa Renmark, maraming road work. So, iba yung dinaanan namin. Wala kayong, walang masyadong makita dito, kundi mga puno lang talaga. Layo na namin. Yung parang mahaba na yung binabiyahing namin. Wala, tas wala ring signal kahit sa Spotify. So, tahimik. Si Zach ayun tulog. Si Kuya kumakain ng apple, yung green. Si Holly tulog pa rin. Anong oras na? 12 something na guys. 12:10. Wala kaming music. Kasi yung sa radio, ang basag siya. Tapos yung phone ni dyan sa Spotify, walang signal. Ayan. Ayan yung dinadaanan natin. Yung mga bahay, ganyan lang yung bahay. Tapos ang layo ng mga kapitbahay. So wala tayong music. Yeah. Tingnan nyo, mayroon din silang dito. Wall painting. Sobrang yeah. Sobrang parang to, yung napaka-quiet na lugar. Ayan, tingnan nyo, meron din, di ba meron din kami dinadaanan sa Adelaide na, yeah, parang hindi pa siya tapos. Do you think this is finished, huh? Yeah, kasi meron doon din.
They might fill in the other ones, but...
Yeah, parang hindi pa siya tapos. Pero ang cool.
Dad.
Oh.
Dad.
Ano siya, napaka-quiet siyang to na dinadaanan. Tapos wala talaga siyang walang signal. Tapos wala talaga kaming music. Zach ay tulog. And Holly tulog pa din. Is it Coronda, Han? Coronda. Next stop kami dito kasi na-board na si Jan. Kasi hindi siya sanay mag-drive na walang music. Pareho wala talaga. Yung radyo, pag linalagay naman, sakit sa tayo kasi mas static yung, hindi siya malinaw. Tapos pag sa, naman, Spotify, walang signal. Kasi stop muna tayo dito. And ito nga, tingnan namin to. Ito nga, tinignan namin to. Ganda siya, no? Baka next time, meron na dyan or hindi rin namin alam.
Yeah, why wouldn't you want to go on that, boy?
May playground kami nakita. Look at Papa, ginising si yung mga bata. May nakita. Ayun no, yung kaharap ko.
Oh, boy.
Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Yung painting sa likod, meron din.
They got 5 bucks there.
Yeah, ayan o.
They got shoes, Bob.
How would you go
Ayan
down
yung
there?
I don't know how you're gonna...
Baka tapos na siyang i-paint.
Dad, how
Ayan,
would you
meron
go
ditong
down
playground.
Yeah, just set that little thing up
Go.
there.
Hala, scary.
Yeah, get in there and just go down.
Go. Ayan na si Zach.
Why are you going my side?
Getting his slippers. Okay, ala. Gising na, Papa. Hello.
I said good night.
Anong good night? It's not good night. It's not good night. Ayan si Zach. Ayan si Zach. Go, Zach. Baba tayo. Mas maganda yung playground nila dito kaysa doon sa mga nadadaanan namin. Kasi tingnan nyo, my car. Para yung monster car. Oops. Tapos yung kanilang slide. Maganda. Andun na. Ay, maganda yung ano siya. Bouncy. Why? There's a ladder.
You can climb up there.
Yeah, she can climb. Just help her. Wait, Kuya. Wait. Sako. From Dono.
Help Holly.
Gustong-gusto niya. Help Holly, ha? Baba, don't be scared, okay? Okay? Kuya Sak will be with you, okay?
Zach,
Andun na
help
siya.
Holly up to the top, please.
Go. Go, Baba.
Come on, Holly, go. Move.
It's a hard bit to get up there.
Oh.
It's a hard bit to get up.
Go.
We got it.
Okay now.
I got it, Dad.
Nandun nakyat si Jan. Good job, Zach. Ay, malamig ang hangin. Doon na si Jan. Go, Han. Go with Holly, please. Don't leave her alone. Tingnan niyo, dyan siya pupunta, oh. Dyan sila mag-slide. Dyan. Andun na si Zach, oh. Go, let Holly go first. Go, Baba. Wow, si Zach nag-i-enjoy. Pangalawang round na to. Andun si Kuya, oh. Si Holly, hindi na siya makaakyat doon, no. Kasi mahirap din siya. Kasi ano siya, yung... Ayan, oh. Yung ladder niya, wiggly. Mahirap, hindi yan kaya ni Holly. I don't think si Holly can. Ay, si Kuya. What? Doon si John. To the rescue si Daddy. Go, Kuya. Go with Holly. Hold Holly's sack, okay? Go, Kuya. Ayan, pinasa niya kay Zach. Go, Zach. Get Holly. Go, Holly. Wait for Zach. Wait for Holly. Ang brave ni Holly. Go, Baba. Si John. Oh, good job, Holly. Good job, Baba. Okay. Go, Zach. Let Holly. On your legs, Zach. Go, Baba. Between your legs, Zach. Sana hindi man low, but yes, wait, Kuya. Hold on. Good job, Papa. Good job. Your slipper. Was it fun? No, here, Zach. Zach, here. Was it fun, Baba? Yeah. Zach, go there, Zach. Zach, there's a zip line, Zach. There. There's a zip line. Zip line. Go zip line. She's good. She's not scared.
It's fun. I was like, wee.
Nag-change lang ng battery si Zach. Nag-ano na siya. Nag-zipline na siya. Ang cool ng playground na to. Ito yung pinaka-coolest na playground na napunta namin pag nagda-drive. Okay, wait lang ya. Wait. Go, Kuya. Oops. Whoa. Good job. Sit down, Baba. Si Holly muna pala. Hang on, Baba. Hang on. Good. Hang on.
Hang on.
Hang on. Wow. Good job. Good job. Good job. Hold on, Zach. Go, yeah. Hold on. Go, Baba. Hold on, Baba. Hold on. Whoa! Good job. Good job, Baba. Hold on, Zach. Hold on. Good job. Gustong-gusto ni Holly.
My finger hit my head.
No, just be careful. She loves it. She's not scared.
Right now, hang on tight.
Hang on. Pass. Hold on. Whoa. Good job, Mama. You're brave.
Could you push me?
Sure. I know I can't do that there, Baba.
Wow.
Okay, come on. Dito naman sila. Spin sila ni John. Hold on, Baba, ha? Just hold on. Why?
Dad, wait.
Where are you going, Zach?
You done away, Zach?
Hello.
Zach, you done away?
Andun na naman si Zach sa sa slide. Ganda kasi. What's that, yeah? Si Oli kanina nandyan siya, oh. Sa monster truck. Baba, you can't, Baba! You need Daddy! Zach! Ayaw niya ng small. Gusto niya doon, oh. That's cool, kuya. May bomba dito. Just like in the Philippines. Remember? Kasi yung tita ko may ganyan. Go, kuya. Small one lang, Baba. Kasi mahirapan siya mag-akyat. Ha? This is not gonna be fun. It's alright. Ayun. Yes. May bomba, oh. Ha? Wait. Dito siya. Okay, go. Oh. You said it's not fun. Okay. Like that. You like it? Daddy's waiting for us. Come on. Come on. Drive na tayo ulit, guys. And si Zach, nag-enjoy sila doon, pero tingnan niyo yung nangyari sa likod ni Zach.
Yes, I know.
Insert kapag hindi ko ito nakalimutan. Nasugatan siya sa likod. Doon sa slide, doon sa mahaba. Parang nagasgas yung skin niya, oh. Tingnan niyo yung ating dadaanan. So, drive lang muna tayo. Ayan, oh. Naalala niyo yan? Yung Kulaba? 3 cafes. Hindi tayo mag-stop ngayon dyan.
I know where we are now, Zach.
Yep.
It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just flying. It's blue skies in your eyes, when sun's rise. And now that you're falling, I wanna come.
Road work everywhere, guys. Ang tagal na rin makarating sa Keith. Daming road work.
Oh, let's not wipe on me.
Yeah.
We're gonna say on squash it down, Zach.
Sa wakas, nakarating na kayo dito sa Keith. Si Kuya, tulog si Kuya. Nag-hotdog na rin siya kanina. Come on! Eh, si Kuya. Ginising siya ni Zach. Andiyan na sila, ha? Which one? Holly, I don't think so. That's the one. That's tuna. Wala yung kanyang sushi na chicken. That's tuna. Yes. Alright. Mag-ano na si Kuya, mag-salad. Ayan na sila. Ito, ano to? Good? You like it? Okay. You like it? Okay. Nagustuhan nila yung tuna. Tuna. That I got some gravy. Ito ano, bagong gawa. Filipina si ate yung gumawa nito. She's a Filipina. What? You lose the tooth? Let me see. Basta sila ng kamay. Yeah, she is a Filipina. No, just one.
Grandma, drink.
You got egg and everything in there, boy.
Large one. And yung chicken natin. Ayan. Nasaan chicken na? Kuya, you want some chicken? You don't want?
I want chicken, please.
You want chicken, Baba?
Yes, please.
There you go, Baba. Hold this. Drumstick?
I'll have it later.
Alright.
Later. I'll have it? No, I said later. So you're not having it. But you always have the drumstick. No, Dad always.
Ayan, kumain tayo ng gravy.
Mother. Ma, we can make tomato.
Ah, nandun yung dalawa.
What, let's see. Chicken. That's all red this is. Because it is garlic, right?
You like that?
It's garlic.
Oh, it's so good.
Mom, I never had this one. No, I'm having another one.
Ayo.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Mine?
I like it. Alright, this thing's coming home.
This room is alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just flying. There's blue skies and your eyes make suns rise. And now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever, alone in this room.
Want any drumstick?
Mom,
Yeah.
is that the chair in there?
No.
Don't lie, it's so high in this room. It's all
Yeah, but I haven't eaten it.
Oh, thank you.
Once you finish all that.
And half? You want me to break it half? No, okay. Binigay niya na kay Kuya sa niya. Ah, okay. What you gonna say to your sister?
Okay.
Ayan. Si Jan, nung pumunta sa kagasaguan siya ng pera. Kasi mag-ice cream sila after.
Finish this.
Okay. Finish your chicken, baby.
high in this room. It's all
That wet.
I think the best part. Ayan. Sarap. No, the bone.
high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just flying. There's blue skies and your eyes make suns rise. I don't
Yan, tapos na kaming kumain. And ayan na yung ice cream nila. Si Kuya, meron siyang drumstick. What's that? Drumstick what? Mint? Ayan, mint. Tapos si Jan, kumain siya ng pythons and coffee. And eto sa akin, almond. Almond na magnum. Si Holly, what you got, Baba? Yung kay Holly, oh. Hey! Saki? Ang cute. Merong natirang ano, ayun yung natira oh. And meron pang chips. Oh, say try mine, mommy, and I can try yours. Yummy. Yun ang ginawa niya kanina. Ang laki ng kinagat niya kanina. We're done, yeah? Ang sako. Wala masyadong tao. Yung boys nasa car na, siya na lang yung hinihintay namin. Ako tapos na rin. Hindi siya kumain, oh. Good Good job, Baba. One last bite. Good job. Okay. Well done. Okay na. Ay, talagang sinisimot niya pa. Oh, okay, that's it. Hoy, come on. There's none there, Baba. Yee. Okay, let's go. Wipe your hands. Wipe your mouth. And your hands. Okay, come on. Hoy. Ah, natuluan yung kanyang pa. Akin na yan. Sobrang busog ako. Ayan, drive na ulit tayo. Update guys, nakatulog ako. 5:10 na. And si Holly, ayan. Nakatulog din siya. And dito na pa kami sa Terpina. Nag-CR lang si Jan and yung mga boys. Nandun sila. Oh. Ayan. Ito na yung last stop namin bago kami makarating sa bahay. Hi, Papa. Ano yung dalawa? Nag-stretching lang sila doon. Habang nasa CR si Jan. Ayan na si Jan. Oh. Ayan na siya. Hi, Papa. We're almost home.
I don't know where to go. You keep me like a lips on when I'm with you.
Bahay na kami, guys. And yung car, pinasok namin dito sa backyard. Andun sila, oh. Ayan, kinukuha na ni Jan yung bike ni Zach. And, anong oras na? Ano na? 10 minutes to 6 na, guys. Umalis kami dun siguro mga 11:30. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today. And tingnan nyo yung aking mga nilaban bago kami umalis. Tutupin ko siguro yan mamaya. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Hey, say goodbye now. Oh, say good night. Good night. Holly, say good night. And si Han, say good night. Good night. So, tingnan yung aming mga i-unpack. Ayan. Ayan yung mga fruits. Careful, ya. Ako, ikaw na, Han. Okay. Okay.